In Part 1, we learned that marriage still exists in Western countries and that children born outside marriage are legally protected. But what happens when both parents truly walk away? Does the child end up on the streets? Is there no system? No. Today, we pull back the curtain on the most misunderstood parts of the system: foster care, adoption, and the deeper reality behind abandoned children. In countries like the United States and the United Kingdom, if parents are unable or unwilling to care for a child, the state intervenes. Reasons may include abuse, neglect, drug addiction, or extreme poverty. When a child's safety is at risk, social services step in. Foster care is a temporary system where a child is placed with another approved family. Foster parents are licensed and background checked. Homes are inspected, and training is required. The goal of foster care is not always adoption. Often, the primary goal is reunification. This means returning the child to their biological parents once conditions improve. For some, it's temporary. For others, it's a long journey. This is not a small or informal system. In the United States, hundreds of thousands of children are in foster care at any given time. In the United Kingdom, the system is managed by local authorities. It is structured, regulated, and funded by the state to ensure safety. When biological parents permanently lose parental rights, adoption becomes possible. This is a significant legal transition. Adoptive parents apply and undergo rigorous reviews. Financial stability, criminal backgrounds, and home environments are all carefully checked. Adoption is not quick. It can take months or even years, but for many children, it means a second chance at a permanent, stable family. No system is perfect. Challenges include overcrowding and emotional trauma. Some children experience instability with multiple home transfers. Shortages of foster parents are real, yet despite its flaws, the system exists to prevent children from being left completely alone. In Western countries, financial assistance is provided to foster families. Healthcare is covered, and public schooling is always available. Counseling services are offered, and the state takes legal responsibility when parents cannot. The safety net is built to support the child's future. In many Eastern societies, extended families often step in first. Grandparents, uncles, and aunts naturally take on the responsibility of care. In Western societies, nuclear families are more common, so when parents fail, the government becomes the essential backup structure. Different systems, different philosophies. So, what is the truth? Marriage still exists in the West. Children are not legally illegal, and when parents fail, the state intervenes to protect their future. The real question is, what kind of society best protects children? Emotionally, socially, and morally. Understanding helps us think deeper instead of judging faster. Thank you for joining us.